Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, if I've registered ABC as a trademark, can I stake a claim to the domain abc.com? It's a really good question. I have seen situations on social media platforms where a company couldn't try to take over the username that matched their business name unless they had a registered trademark. In this situation, it may be a little bit more challenging because to have a valid claim to a domain, you just have to have a legitimate use. So having a registered trademark may not be enough to get you there. On one hand, multiple companies can have the same registered trademark as long as they are not in competing industries. So that's why we can have Delta Dental and Delta Airlines and Delta Faucet, and nobody's concerned that all these Deltas are the same company. We all know that they're different. Likewise, trademarks are a country level law, an issue. So two different companies can have the exact same trademark on the exact same product in different countries, and that's not problematic. And they probably have equal claim to that domain. Additionally, you don't have to have a registered trademark to have a legitimate desire to have a domain. Depending on what you're doing with it, especially if we're talking about like a 3-letter abbreviation, that could stand for lots of things. I remember there was a situation where a famous person had to use the .net of their name because the person who bought the .com created a fan site. And that was perfectly fine. And they never tried to, and the fan never tried to say, hey, I am this famous person. No, they were just saying, I'm a fan. This is my fan site. I like this person. And that celebrity had to, I think, either wait until the domain became available for sale because the person let it expire, or they ended up buying it off them. So yes, having a registered trademark can help an argument that you have a legitimate reason to want the domain, but it's not enough to guarantee that you can have the domain that you want. Many times when I'm dealing with trademark clients who are just starting out, I say, stake a claim to the domain that you want even before you register, so that way, as you're building your business, even if you haven't built your website yet, you know that you have it. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any person. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.